if you're planning to travel soon. This video could save you from wasting money, time, and patience, because today, I'm breaking down 7 rookie mistakes that almost every traveler makes, including me, the first few times I flew internationally. Let's start with the one that almost got me deported. Mistake number 1, not checking visa requirements. So here's what happened to me. I booked a flight to Vietnam from Bangkok. I had my bag, my ticket, my excitement, but no visa. I assumed I could just get one on arrival. Wrong, they wouldn't let me in, and I almost had to buy a return ticket on the spot at triple the price. Always, and I mean always, check the visa policy of the country you're flying into. Some offer visas on arrival, others require online approval days in advance. Use websites like Sherpa or even airline booking pages. They often list entry rules. Don't trust your memory. Trust the official info. Mistake number 2, booking layovers that are too short. That cheap flight with a 45-minute connection looks good on paper, but in reality, it's a race you'll likely lose. Between immigration, security, or just walking across terminals, 45 minutes becomes 10, and that's if your first flight is on time. My rule: domestic connection, minimum 60 minutes. International, 90 minutes. Minimum, more if the airport is huge, like Frankfurt or Istanbul. Mistake number 3, not downloading offline maps. This one's sneaky. You think you'll just land, turn on roaming, or grab Wi-Fi somewhere, except the SIM card line is 40 minutes long, or the Wi-Fi doesn't work, or Google Maps just won't load. I always download offline maps on Google Maps the night before my trip. Zoom in. Save key neighborhoods, hotels, and stations. Bonus tip: also save key phrases and currencies on Google Translate, offline. Future you will thank you. Mistake number 4, overpacking. Let's be honest, 90% of travelers pack too much. 3 pairs of jeans, 7 shirts, that just-in-case jacket, and then you're dragging a heavy bag across cobblestones, up staircases, or in 35 degrees Celsius heat. Here's the truth: you don't need more, you need better. Plan for 5 days of clothes. Do laundry mid-trip if needed. I use packing cubes and limit myself to a carry-on whenever possible. It saves time, money, and stress, especially when flights are delayed or connections are tight. Mistake number 5, not knowing the local scams. Scams aren't just in movies, they're everywhere, and they change by city. In Bangkok, taxi drivers refusing to use meters. In Rome, fake petitions that distract you while someone steals your bag. In Paris, the gold ring trick. In Mexico City, friendly helpers at ATMs. Here's what I do. Before visiting any new place, I watch one YouTube video or read one Reddit thread on common scams in that area. 10 minutes of prep can save you hundreds of dollars and a ruined day. Mistake number 6, skipping travel insurance. This one feels boring until it's not. I had a friend break her foot in Bali. No insurance, thousands of dollars in hospital bills. Even basic coverage can save you from medical emergencies, flight cancellations, lost baggage. I use comparison sites like Safety Wing, World Nomad, or Heymando, depending on where I'm going. You don't need the premium package, but don't travel with nothing. Mistake number 7, only carrying cards. In the digital age, we often forget cash is still king in many places. Markets, small cafes, taxis, Buses, some just don't take cards, or their machine doesn't work right after you order global currency, or withdraw from a trusted ATM inside the airport. And don't keep it all in one spot. Split it between your wallet, a hidden pouch, or even a sock inside your backpack. Yes, I've done that. And yes, it saved me in Morocco. Final thoughts. Traveling is one of the best things you can do with your time and money. But making just one of these rookie mistakes can ruin a trip, or worse. Learn from mine, prepare smart, and you'll enjoy your journey with a whole lot more peace of mind. If you found this helpful, check out my video on how to travel Europe on just $50 a day. I break down exactly how I did it in 6 steps. Subscribe to Travelwise by Clim and keep traveling smarter.